Suara Gracia FM, the sound of life. God's way is perfect. Shalom, good evening keluarga Gracia. Meet me again with Audrey in English Time program on Monday, 3rd of November 2025. Okay, how are you keluarga Gracia? It's a new month already, and which is the 11th month of this year. Okay, wow, almost the end of this year, but it's okay. Tonight we will talk about a new thing, of course, and I'm not alone. I'm with Miss Dwita. Hi, Miss Dwita. How are you?
Hi, Miss Audrey. I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, so how was your weekend?
Well, my weekend went so well.
Wow. Okay. First of all, where were you?
In Cirebon, of
In
course.
Cirebon. Okay.
Luckily, I was in Cirebon, yeah. Okay, so the whole week I was in Cirebon, so that's why I just tried to see my calendar. What did I do this week? Yeah, I was in Cirebon.
In Cirebon.
Yeah, because so many workshops in my
Okay.
place. The first one was cooking, and wow, there was an accident at that time karena
Wow.
kuenya semua kebalik ya.
Oh,
Tepat.
okay. Wow. Okay.
But there was also a blessing that there were still some cakes that they can't eat. But that's okay. It's a lesson learned for me, for everyone. But it was a wonderful workshop for me and also for the kids. Okay, they were cooking the mini chocolate banana bread,
Ah, okay.
and it is not bread. I think it is a cake.
A cake. Okay.
Okay, and then this weekend, this one of the weekdays, I was teaching the Sunday school teachers in my church, and then it was the second time, and it was the time for me to check whether they were really inspired
Ah, okay.
but what I have been teaching, and whether they have applied all the theories to what they were going to do for the following Sunday.
Okay.
Okay, and then on Saturday and Sunday, well, my friends, the one that I have ever told you, Geng Mau,
Oh,
and
okay.
they were all the kidalting. Acute
Kidalting.
kidalting, ya, kidalting akut berat. Die hard. It's a die hard fan of kidalting. So they were here, 5 of them, so 6 with me. So they stayed in my house, and then
Okay.
we went for the culinary. So we didn't only eat 3 times a week, 3 times a day, but I think it was
more than
5
that.
days. five times, 5 meals that day.
Okay.
And also on Sunday I joined the book signing, penandatanganan buku-buku ya. There was a writer, an author.
Okay.
She wrote a book about the health, and then we went to the big bookstore here, and then we joined the seminar, learning what she has already written in that book.
Okay.
It's all about the health, and then at the end we got a chance to take picture with her, and also got her signature.
Okay.
And that is that. And then the time went so fast.
Yeah. Yeah.
They didn't
That's
even visited my garden, my friends.
Wow.
Padahal
Okay.
itu kan di belakang kamar
Iya,
gitu ya.
iya.
Wow. And then this morning when I showed them the grapes that I banyak banget yang tumbuh, and then they were, why didn't we go there? Itu kan cuma selangkah.
Iya, iya.
Nggak tahu. Nggak ada waktu beneran. Kalau udah sama-sama tuh kayaknya rasanya waktu cepat
So many things
sekali.
to do.
Yeah, so many things we wanted to
Yeah.
do. But so little time. So well, ya udahlah gitu, nanti next time. So
Yeah.
I said next time. So so they went home yesterday at 4 o'clock, all of them back to Jakarta, and then I went to church at 5. And then that's all, Miss Audrey. It was wonderful weekend, because I also got a special guest coming to my house on Saturday night, and we had a long talk, and then I think it was a very nice conversation, because the person talked about the problems,
Okay.
and then also what the solution that I could give.
Mm-mm.
So it was a wonderful time for me to have a conversation with that
Mm-mm.
person, and then, and that's all, Miss Audrey.
Mm.
That's it. Even though it was only 2 or 3 events this week, but everything went so well and it was wonderful, except that cooking workshop.
Ah,
But that's okay. As I said, it was a lesson learned.
yeah.
That is that, Miss Audrey. How about you? Stay in Cirebon?
Stay in Cirebon. And not that uh, not that special weekend, just usual weekend
Mhm.
where I could just take a
Mhm.
rest on my bed.
Okay.
Yeah. And yeah, I think only on Saturday I just went to the new mini market near
Oh.
here
Where?
in
In
Sutomo.
Oh, in Sutomo. Oh, the one
Yeah.
in Sutomo. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, with my kids, and then we ate because they really sell like some foods,
Mhm.
so we can just eat there.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Is it a big supermarket?
Not bad actually, Miss.
Oh.
Yeah, because they also sell like ramen.
I see.
Yeah,
I
and
see.
some drinks, and then
Mm.
some pastry, and then seblak.
Ah. Is it also you mean something like a food court?
Mini food court, I
Oh,
think.
okay.
Yeah, it's just like their company has had that all the foods.
I see.
Yeah,
Okay.
so their own food.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, that only that, and then I went home, and then I just take a rest
Mhm.
almost the whole 2 days.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's good compared to last week, right?
Yes.
When you had an open house for the school,
Yeah.
you had to be there
Mm-mm.
before 6,
Yeah.
and the preparation is until almost night.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
That's good for you to have a rest.
Yeah, and out of the sudden it's already Sunday night. It
Mhm.
means that I
start
had
again.
to start again all over again.
I think most people don't like that. Yeah, Miss Audrey.
Yeah. And usually, Miss, on Sunday night
Mhm.
I will tell to my friends, and then already Sunday night.
Well, okay. So a Sunday night or a Sunday evening.
Yeah.
Usually, my husband called me and then he asked me, "What are you doing?" So I'm making the script. Is it already Sunday? Is it already time for the radio? Yeah.
Yeah.
What else could I do?
But time really flies,
Yeah,
Miss.
really flies so fast.
So fast. Yeah.
So fast. And it's
It's-
already the 3rd of November.
Yeah. And it's and then out of the sudden we thought or realized that it's already the end of this month, and then we enter the 12th month of
Yes,
this year.
yeah.
Oh my god. Wow.
That's the best month of the year.
Yes.
People say so.
Yes. Even though we thought that time really flies so fast,
Yeah.
but I like December.
We are also expecting December. Right?
Yes.
But yeah, Miss Audrey, this week really went so fast. So
Yeah.
fast.
Mm-mm.
Perhaps because we did so many things, maybe
Yeah.
because we were
Mm-mm, mm-mm.
occupied with our own jobs.
Yeah.
With all the things, the stuffs, right?
Yeah. It's like already 3 p.m. It's like already 6 p.m.
Yeah. Cepat sekali waktu ya.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe keluarga Gracia, you also feel the same way.
Yeah. But it's okay. We will go to the 12th month, which is it means long holiday.
Sure,
Yeah.
sure. Yeah, Miss Audrey. So there will be two activities that I will not do also in December. It also gives me some rest, some good
Yeah.
rest,
Yeah.
and think for the following semester, yeah, the
Mm-mm-mm.
new things, what we are going to make or to do
Iya.
on January. Tapi nggak usah dulu lah ya, nggak
Nggak
usah
usah
mikir.
dulu. Nanti deh. Nanti.
Habis dulu Novembernya.
Habisin dulu. Karena bagaimanapun juga Desember itu walaupun menyenangkan tapi sibuk.
Iya sibuk ya.
Iya, dengan Christmas party, Christmas events, preparation, all preparation, and also for the report.
Yeah, that's right. And also, so like this, Mr. Audrey, in December we are busy for the December itself,
Yeah.
and also we have to be busy for the January,
Yes.
right? But November we are busy only for November.
Yeah.
But December no, we have
December
to think.
no.
We have to think of 2 months. Like that.
Yeah. Okay, keluarga Gracia. That's all about our weekend. But before we continue, let's hear some songs and following advertisements. We'll be right back. Okay, keluarga Gracia, back again with us in English Time program. Okay, now after we talk about our weekend, now we will talk about the trending topic. Okay, please, Miss Wita.
Okay, so tonight we are talking about something shining, mysterious, and magical above our heads.
Yeah.
The moon. The title is The Year of the Supermoons, the Golden
Wow.
Beaver Moon over Cirebon.
Okay.
Okay. Miss Audrey?
Okay. Here we go again. Whenever it's about the sky, your voice just glows brighter.
Yeah, I can't help it. I am a moon gazer through and through. And this year, 2025, has been such a treat for us moon lovers.
Really? What makes it special?
Because this year we've had not one, not two, but 3 supermoons.
3? I thought it's rare to even get one.
Nope. The moon's been putting on quite a show. The first supermoon was on August 11, called the Sturgeon Moon.
Okay.
Then came the harvest moon on September 9, and now the grand final, the Golden Beaver supermoon on November the 5th.
Wait, did you say Beaver Moon?
Yeah.
That's such a funny name.
Yeah, it does sound cute, right?
Yeah.
The name comes from old Native American and early colonial traditions. So November was when beavers were busy building their dams for winter, and when trappers set their final traps before the rivers froze. And before that, Miss Audrey, beavers is something like berang-berang.
Yeah.
But beavers, they are herbivore. They eat vegetables, but berang-berang is carnivore. They
Okay.
eat meat. Okay.
Okay, so it's like a moon that signals preparation, nature getting ready for change.
Exactly. The beaver moon reminds us of hard work, warmth, and taking care of what matters before a new season begins. I love that symbolism. It fits perfectly with how we wind down the year.
Oh, that's beautiful. So this November supermoon isn't just bright, it's meaningful.
It really is. And this one's extra special because it is the biggest and brightest full moon of 2025.
Wow, all right. Our moon gazer, tell us the science part. What makes it a supermoon anyway?
Okay, so the moon orbits Earth in an oval, not in a perfect circle. Berputarnya ya.
Yeah.
So sometimes it is closer, that is called perigee, and sometimes farther, it is called apogee. When the full moon happens near perigee, it looks bigger and brighter.
Ah, so it's a full moon at its closest point.
Exactly. And on November 5th, it will be just 356,980 kilometers away. The closest full moon this year.
Oh, so this Beaver supermoon is like the grand finale of a lunar concert.
Yes, perfect description. We had a Sturgeon Moon Overture in August
Yeah.
and Harvest Moon Harmony in September, and now the Golden Beaver Moon Crescendo in November.
You're turning astronomy into poetry again.
Well, the moon deserves a little poetry. Some, especially this one, it will glow golden as it rises, thanks to the atmosphere scattering the blue light and leaving warm tones behind.
So that's why it looks like honey or gold when it first rises.
Exactly. The Golden Beaver supermoon will rise from the eastern horizon at 5:27 p.m. waktu Indonesia Barat, just after sunset, and reach its full phase at 8:19 p.m.
So around Maghrib, we can already see it climbing up.
Yes, so just look east from Kejawanan Beach, Kesambi Hill, or open field in Argasunya. The reflection on the water makes it breathtaking.
You know, I can already imagine people taking photos, sipping coffee, watching the golden glow.
Exactly. And speaking of photos, here is a little tip for amateur photographers out there.
Oh, yes. Tell us your moon photography secret.
All right. So you don't need a fancy camera,
Okay.
just a good eye.
Okay.
The trick is to use silhouettes.
Silhouettes? Like people or trees in front of the moon?
Exactly. The moon itself is super bright, so if you place something dark in front, like a person, a tree, or a mosque tower, you will get that dramatic outline against the glowing moon. Try these tips. Stand far back from your subject so the moon looks big behind them. Focus on the outline, not the person. The details don't matter, just the shape. Use night mode or pro mode on your phone. So lower the exposure a bit so the moon isn't blown out. And my favorite, capture it just as the moon rises. It is lower, golden, and bigger looking.
Wow, that sounds doable. So you can create that perfect moon and silhouette photo even with a smartphone.
Yes, and Cirebon has perfect spots like the beach, the port, or even the tree line near Sunyaragi. Just imagine someone standing still while the golden beaver moon rises behind them. It is pure magic.
Wow, Cirebon under moonlight always looks romantic.
Yes, the reflection of the moon on the sea, that is my kind of peace.
You always talk about the moon like it's an old friend.
Maybe it is. The moon is constant. It watches over us, even when we are too busy to look up.
That's so true. The same moon shining over Cirebon tonight also shines over Bali, Tokyo, Paris, everywhere.
Exactly. So when you look at the golden beaver supermoon, remember, we are all under one sky.
You know what we should do? Start a Cirebon Moon Club.
Wow. Yes, everyone is invited. So bring your snacks, your cameras, and your sense of wonder.
Perfect. Moon gazing, photography, and stories.
That's the spirit of the beaver moon. Community, reflection, and gratitude for what we have.
Okay, before we wrap up, let's recap. 3 supermoons in 2025, August 11, Sturgeon Moon, September 9, Harvest Moon, and November 5, Golden Beaver Supermoon. Okay, so moonrise at 5:27 p.m. waktu Indonesia Barat. Look east. Photo tip, use silhouettes for drama. And the best view, Kejawanan, Kesambi, or Argasunya.
So, Cirebon, don't miss the last and brightest supermoon of the year. Step outside, look up, and let the golden beaver moonlight your night and your imagination.
Ah, that's our moon gazer talking again.
Always. So until next time, Keep your eyes on the sky and your heart full of wonder.
Wow, okay.
So you can go to the beach, Miss Audrey, or Kesambi near here, right?
Yeah,
Kesambi
yeah.
or Argasunya. Where is Argasunya? I don't know.
I don't know. I don't really know.
You don't know?
No.
Okay.
So November 5
yeah,
is
it's
on
November
Wednesday,
yeah,
yeah?
Wednesday.
Mm.
Wednesday, Maghrib, yeah?
Yeah.
So be ready maybe before 5.
Yeah.
Sebelum jam 5 sore sudah siap-siap ya di pantai atau di Kesambi atau di
okay.
Argasunya. Lapangan kayaknya Argasunya ya.
Iya mungkin.
Di situ ya. Jadi kemudian bawa aja HP-nya, nggak usah bawa kamera ya. Ajak teman, barangkali dia bisa jadi objek foto gitu
Objeknya ya,
jadi
siluetnya.
siluet.
Ya.
Jadi temannya itu nanti akan hitam karena siluet kan hitam. Karena di belakangnya ada bulan yang terang sekali.
Iya, iya.
Oke. Coba boleh dicoba ini nih.
Iya.
Unfortunately, I will not be here. Sorry. Sayangnya ya, sayangnya.
Okay, I will ask my daughter because she loves to photograph
Oh, okay.
something,
okay,
yeah.
okay.
So I hope she's in the mood.
Yeah. So you can use the night mode. I
Yeah.
think almost all the cell phone has
Yeah.
that feature, yeah, or pro mode, and then lower the exposure, and then so the jadi bulannya itu tetap bulat kalau exposure-nya itu diturunkan sedikit seperti itu. Atau kalau mau juga nanti ISO-nya itu bisa juga ditinggikan gitu. Dikombinasi seperti itu. Latihan dulu sebelum tanggal 5. Latihan dulu aja objeknya di rumah, misalnya buku atau botol minum.
Tapi harus gelas, dengan ada sinar yang terang banget gitu ya.
Gitu. Jadi dalam kamar misalnya ada satu sinar handphone ya, flashlightnya itu ya. Terus ada satu handphone lagi di depannya untuk memotret apa objek itu. Coba-coba dulu aja. Barangkali bisa jadi dari amatir bisa jadi profesional ya.
Iya, betul.
Coba dan coba. Oke.
Boleh nih pinjem ini. Lampu studio.
Bisa nih, nanti ini gelap semua.
Iya kan?
Apa kita coba sekarang?
Nah, we can try.
Ya. Jadi fokus on the outline, not the person. Jadi orangnya biar aja gelap. Jadi kan kita kalau motret pakai HP itu kan ada yang kita tik lensanya. Nah, tiknya itu di outline-nya si bulan. Jangan di orang yang di depan gitu kan. Bulan itu kan bundar ya, ada pinggirannya. Nah, itu tiknya di pinggirannya itu. Gitu ya, sampai keluar biasanya lingkaran kuning gitu ya, kalau nggak salah ya, untuk di kamera foto itu. Jadi orangnya biar saja gitu. Mungkin juga orangnya bisa jadi sedikit blur, but that's okay. Nah, disitulah coba-coba ISO and exposure. Di bagian kamera itu ada pro mode-nya. Gitu. Wah, duitan ngajarin fotografi jadinya nih.
Oke, keluarga Gracia. That's about the trending, which is about the moon. Super moon,
So, Miss Audrey, why is it trending? You know, the last one, the strawberry moon, it was very famous. This is the strawberry moon that was, I think, when there was ada gerhana. Waktu ada gerhana bulan ya, jadi bulannya tertutup dulu, terus pas begitu dia muncul lagi dia warnanya strawberry. Nah itu terkenal banget dan banyak sekali orang-orang di Indonesia ya, mereka upload foto itu gitu. So why not for this time, for the last super moon, dan ini yang paling terang dan paling besar gitu. Karena kali ini purnamanya itu yang paling dekat dengan bumi. Why not? Kita coba.
Harus latihan dulu
latihan dulu lah, masih ada 2 hari ya.
Betul.
Cukup lah.
Bolehlah dicoba-coba.
Iya, nggak rugi film ya.
Iya betul.
Kalau zaman
sekarang udah nggak rugi film.
Nggak rugi lah, nggak suka hapus, masih ada storage gitu ya.
Iya.
Coba dulu pakai film roll itu, luar biasa. Harus beli dulu, dicuci dulu, baru tahu hasilnya gitu ya.
Oke, keluarga Gracia, it's all about the trending. But before we continue, let's hear some songs and we'll be right back. Okay, keluarga Gracia, back again with us in English Time program. After we talk about our weekend and also about the trending, which is about the moon, now we will talk about daily conversation. what's the answer or how to answer. Okay, please, Miss Twita.
Okay, since we talked about the moon and also about taking pictures of the supermoon later
Yeah.
on Wednesday, so here we are going to talk about the inspirational moon quotes that can accompany your photos.
Okay.
Maybe after when you want to upload your photos, you can create some writing on the photos,
okay.
so you can use these quotes. Okay,
Okay.
number 1. Just as we choose to go to the moon, we know it is never too soon to choose hope. Wah, banyak O-nya nih ya.
Iya.
Okay.
Okay, number 2. The moon is the reflection of your heart, and moonlight is the twinkle of your love.
Ya, mungkin nanti ini bisa dikasih bling-bling gitu ya fotonya.
Yeah.
Pas diedit itu ada bling-bling atau
Iya,
ada
betul.
seperti sorotan sinar. Aduh, malah jadi belajar edit. Okay, number 3. Like the moon, come out from behind the clouds, shine. Mungkin maksudnya kita juga harus bersinar gitu
Ya,
ya.
betul.
Gitu. Okay.
Okay, number 4. Be the moon and inspire people, even when you are far from full.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's right.
Yeah.
So you are far from full. Maybe ketika juga jadi bulan sabit, bulan setengah,
Iya.
itu tetap Tetap jadi bulan kan?
Iya, betul.
Gitu. Okay, number 5. God put the moon in the sky to remind us that our darkest moments lead to our brightest. Wow.
Wow.
Keren ya.
Iya.
Okay.
Okay, number 6. The one we dance to all night long, the moon like a spotlight on the lake.
Okay. Sinar bulannya itu ya.
Iya.
Seperti kalau bisa membayangkan ya. You can go to my Instagram, ada juga gambar gambar bulan yang ada sinar di air gitu ya. Okay, number 7. Just like moons and the suns, with the certainty of tides, just like hopes springing high, still I will rise. Okay.
Number 8. Let the moon teach you the art of being beautiful and lonely at the same time.
That's right. Ya, kalau kita bayangkan ya, Miss Audrey ya, dia
Iya.
sendirian. Untung dia benda mati ya.
Iya.
But still beautiful ya.
Iya,
Mau
masih
dia
betul.
crescent ya, bulan sabit, bulan penuh,
Iya.
bulan ya, ada sebutannya semua sih, ada
Iya.
waning gibbous, ada waxing gibbous, macam-macam lah semua itu, tapi tetap aja cantik ya.
Iya.
Walaupun sendirian ya.
Mm-mm.
Jadi, so don't worry to be alone.
Iya.
I say to myself ya. Ya.
Anggapannya sih gini, istilahnya kalau di bahasa Indonesianya, mau kayak apapun, kamu tuh tetap cantik.
Nah, gitu bener ya.
Iya kan?
Ya, jadi gak usah.
Mau ada temennya, mau nggak ada temennya, cantik mah cantik aja.
Ya,
Gitu.
betul. Aduh, kayak ya kita harus kayak raja lah, Miss Audrey.
Iya.
Yang asik-asik aja ya.
Asik-asik aja.
Gitu deh.
Iya.
Okay, keluarga Gracia.
Yeah.
So I hope you have lots of fun and practice for 2 days.
Yeah.
Making the photos for the silhouette.
Ya.
Using the flashlight atau lampu gitu ya. Coba harus coba.
Iya.
Jadi nanti pas harinya hari Rabu sore ya.
Iya.
Pas maghrib itu
Udah pinter.
udah jago, udah tinggal mengarahkan
Iya.
modelnya. Oke, di situ berdiri, oke, stop.
Iya.
Oke, aku ambil ya tik. Nah, yang di tik itu pinggiran bulannya ya.
Nah,
Gitu,
itu.
baru. Nah, tapi boleh juga coba tik orangnya.
Nah,
Apa yang terjadi?
Nah, itu boleh.
Nanti boleh. Pokoknya coba-coba deh 2 hari ini ya.
Iya, iya.
Pro mode, night mode, exposure, ISO. Nah, itu main-mainin itu semuanya. Oke.
So, keluarga Gracia, besides the English, we learn English, we also learn photography.
Iya. Karena ya itu misalnya di bulan itu cantik ya untuk difoto
Iya,
ya.
iya.
Kalau dilihatin aja ya hilang.
Hilang ya. betul.
Momennya dapet, tapi kita kenangannya untuk kita punya gitu ya.
Iya, iya.
Kalau di foto kan kita nggak buang-buang apa-apa ya. Ada di HP kita.
Iya.
Kita pengen lihat ada lagi gitu.
Iya,
ya.
betul.
Oke. Dan kadang-kadang kita tuh merasa bangga loh Miss Audrey bisa
Iya, iya.
taking picture sesuatu yang extraordinary ya, yang mungkin orang nggak punya gitu.
Iya.
Nggak apa-apa, jadi kita flexingnya tuh foto-foto aja,
Nah,
foto-foto
itu.
keren gitu
Iya,
ya.
betul.
Oke.
Oke, keluarga Gracia, it's all about tonight. Before we leave, never stop learning. There is always one more thing to learn. Thank you for joining us. See you next week. God bless you all. Bye.
Bye bye.